Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. So today we're going to be going over the Gucci Ophidia Flora small backpack. I think I said that right. I got this backpack in February 2020, so it's been a few months. So we're going to be going over close-ups, how much it packs, and mod shots. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, so this bag is actually a fairly small backpack. It's only measuring at 11.5 inches in height, 8.5 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth. So you'll see the beige and ebony canvas, monogram canvas, with the Flora motif overlaid on it. Then you have the green and red webbing with the double G emblem. This also has a zip closure on top with the gold colored hardware. I'll do a close up for you. And then there's one pocket in the front that also has the gold colored hardware. The front pocket has gussets on the sides. And then on top, there's a handle for you to grab. Turning it around, there is a mesh backing and a mesh backing to the shoulder straps. And here's the where you would adjust the shoulder straps. There's double zippers on top, and inside it is a beige lining with 2 pockets on the front, and then there is a zippered pocket in the back. Usually when I store this bag, I would store it with stuffing just to kind of keep it shape. Okay, let's go ahead and see how much it fits in here. So this is the packing portion of the video, and what I have laid out in front of you is the stuff that I usually keep in my purse. I like to pack with pouches. As you can see here, it's just easier for me to have all the smaller items in pouches and put it in the backpack so it's not all over the place. And then I included here an iPad and a notebook to show you how much fits in this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the iPad, which is a regular size iPad. I'll plop in there. Can fit a notebook. Then I'll put all my smaller items like my wet wipes, my Kleenex, lotion, and a hairbrush. And the pouches I like to use putting in my purse are Jujube Set pieces. These ones are specifically a small set piece. They come in 3 in a Be Set piece. So there's a large, medium, and a small. Just slide that right in there. Then I have my wallet here, which is the Iris Compact wallet from Louis Vuitton. Just slide that right in there. And then I just have a charging bank. The cords for that and the plug. Just put that in the pouch. And I can go ahead and place that in the small pocket in the front. And then I have an iPhone 8 Plus size. And I can just slide that also in the front. And it fits right in there. Then I can zip that up. I didn't use any of the small little pockets that are in the bag, but it is snug in there, but it's able to fit, and then it zips up nicely. So for the Gucci Ophidia Flora small backpack, I love this backpack. It's small, but it's great for me since it's not overwhelming, especially being such a petite woman at 4'9¾". But it fits a good amount of stuff, including my daily essentials, pre-baby of course, and it's able to fit an iPad and a notebook. And the material on this bag is easy to clean. I haven't seen it get really dirty, and it's easy to just kind of wipe off. And it's structured. I didn't lose its shape when I was packing it or when I do have a good amount of stuff in there. It's pretty comfortable with the mesh backing and the mesh shoulder straps. And it's cute. I mean, it's cute with the white edging and the floral print and the monogram. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below if you have one of these and what you guys like about it and what you don't like about it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.